about Jesus as come to John chapter 17 from verse 1 to verse 19. Jesus pray. After Jesus done said and sit here, him look up in the sky and pray to God, say, Father, the time come now. Show everybody how your boy picnic big and powerful. So him can show them how you big and powerful. Cause you give your boy picnic power over everybody so that him can make the people them where you give to him live forever. For live forever means that them know you, the only one where really God, and that them know Jesus Christ, the one you send come. Me show people on earth how you big and powerful when me do the work where you did give me for do. So Father, right where you then know, make me get enough respect, the said kind of respect me did have when me did dead with you from before the world did make. Jesus pray for him follower them. The people them from out of the world where you give me show them who you be. Them did a few, but you give me them, and them follow where you tell them to do. Now them know say everything where me have come from you. Can me tell them back everything where you tell me, and them believe it. Them know for sure say you me come from, and them believe say you send me come. Me a pray for them. Me not pray for the world and them. Me a pray for them where you give me, cause them a few. All where me have a few, and all where you have a for me, and then show how me big and powerful. Me not go there in the world no longer. Me a come to you, but them still a go there in the world. Father, we holy. Use your power and guard them. The power where you give me. Use it and guard them so them can turn one. Same like how me and you are one. When me did amongst them, me use your power for guard and keep them safe. The power where you did give me. None of them may last. Only the one where did born for dead and got hell. And this will happen so that what God would say would have come true. Me a come to you now, but me a say all of them sitting here while me still in the world, so that they can happy, can done, just like how me happy. Me tell them where you tell me to tell them, and the worldly and them hate them, cause just like me, them are worldly and. Me now pray and ask you to take them out of the world, but that you to guard them from the wicked one. Them are worldly and same like how me and a worldly and. Use the truth, make them live for you. For your message are the truth. Same like how you send me come in the world, a same way so me send them in the world. A sake of them make me give up myself to serve you. Me do it so them might really give up themselves to serve you too. A Gad Wod Dis. Thank God.